Woman dies after found with stab wounds in her yard in Dunbehold in Portmore. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Catherine South police are probing the stabbing death of a woman on Sunday. She has been identified as 27-year-old Shashida Garden, otherwise called Shaba, a vendor of Dunbehold in Portmore. It is reported that at around 4 a.m., screams were heard coming from Garden's residence. Checks were made and she was found with what appears to be multiple stab wounds. She was assisted by the police to the Spanish Town Hospital where she succumbed to her injuries. The police have since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.